Hello everyone! Welcome! We are here at Familia Verde here in Lumbia. Yes, right behind me is the model house and beside is the deliverable unit. Mao ni siya ang forma pag i-deliver na sa imuha ang unit. Okay, as you can see, bare unit type siya. Ikaw pa ang magpa-tiles, but ang advantage is ikaw ang maka-design sa imuhang tiles. So, ikaw ang mag-division. It's really good sa mga start-up na family. Kaya kung maghulat pa ka, maabdan ka sa price increase. This is an example of a pre-construction units. So, advantage gid kaayo kung makuha na kakaron while pre-construction pa because lower equity. Like, you can have it for only 7,000 for 18 months. Maupod ni siya ang example sa mga ready for occupancy units. So, if gusto na ka mo balhin, so we suggest nga magkuha ka aning ready for occupancy. Doon ra ni siya sa Lumbia Public Market, police station, fire station, and sa mga convenience stores. So, if you are interested, you can reach out to us. You can message in our page so we can have an online discussion before you can proceed to your reservation. Thank you!